Welcome to the second of many videos for NOS 130 installing Windows 7. In this video I will be demonstrating the following. As you can see, the following are some of the objectives I will be discussing. Select the appropriate installation option, perform a clean installation of Windows 7, create a dual boot installation, migrate the user files and settings for Windows 7, and perform an upgrade to Windows 7. Okay, performing a clean installation varies. I can say that you can do that with a new computer that has no operating system, and you can click the start and then on the computer, and then click the DVD-ROM if the DVD-ROM does not run automatically, and then set up. When prompted, say yes. Okay, you can do a clean installation on a computer that is not upgradable to Windows 7. You can also do a clean installation on a computer where you have backed up all the data and settings and are replacing the existing OS. So click install. Okay, setup is copying temporary files. Okay, as we wait for the setup, let me talk about a dual boot installation. Dual boot installation is one in which two operating systems are installed on a separate disk partition. So if you have one hard drive, you can make a partition on that hard drive, and then you install two different operating systems on them. And when you open one up, you select which one you want to run, and that's what we call a dual boot installation. So over here, let's go online and get the latest updates. So as it installed a window, let's talk about how to perform a dual boot installation. You need the following. You need at least two disk partition, you need two full product licenses, and you need a full system backup. Why do I need a full system backup? Because you don't know what might happen. Okay, let's see here. You can either do an upgrade or you can do a custom. Custom is install a new copy of Windows. So let me click that. And over here, if I add, this is the second portion here is my system running right now. If I had partition it, I could have had enough room to do what? To do a dual boot installation. But since the only partition here was a small, just for the system, that is reserved for the system, I cannot install anything over here, because if you try, it's gonna tell me that, oh, you can't do that. You see, it's disabled. You can't go to the next. If I click this, I can go to the next now. This I can go to the next. But this one, the last one, this is my external hard drive. So I can click it, my external hard drive, and then click next. Okay, I don't know why it's not doing anything right now on my external hard drive. Okay, that's how you install Windows system. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel it now. Yes. Okay, let's talk about upgrade here. Click the start right click my computers, go to the properties, and here get more features with the new edition. I click that, and this is window anytime upgrade. I can go online or I can enter the upgrade key. I don't have an upgrade key, so I click go online. So when that happens, let me wait that, let me close that. Okay, here is the fact. This is what I'm running now, and this is what they want me to upgrade to by 129 bucks. I don't have that money, so I'm gonna close it. On the other hand, if I want to do the upgrade, please keep in mind that before you install a new window, run an upgrade advisor. That will help you to know exactly if your computer is gonna run or not, to save you time. Once the Windows 7 upgrade advisor is done, this is what you're gonna get: 32-bit or 64-bit. Check them and see what your computer can run. Okay, let me get back to this PowerPoint. And we also have wipe and load migration and side-by-side migration. So what I just explained over here is how to do the wipe and load. So let me click the transfer here. Okay, window easy transfer. Next. Okay, I have an external disk. This is my old computer, and then if I add a new computer, I'm gonna hook the direct cable through it, so that's gonna go transfer directly. So if I do this to an external hard drive, which means I'm gonna do that and then put the external once it's download to another one. Okay, I'm just gonna close that one. I don't need that one. So just the same, the diagram explained here that to the external hard drive on one computer, and this is the whole computer to the new computer. That's side by side, and this is wipe and load. Okay, we just talked about the dual installation, what we need already. I talked about that. So in summary, we just talked the pre-installation of Windows 7, a clean installation, migration of file using Windows Easy Transfer, and we talked about the in-place upgrade of Windows 7, and also we talked about Windows Anytime Upgrade tool and the dual boot installations. I hope you enjoy, and see you on my next video. Thank you.